Imagine this: a tiny spacecraft, no bigger than a small car, drifting alone in the dark more than 15 billion miles from Earth. It carries no crew, no fuel to return, and no way to ever come home. And yet, this spacecraft may be the last trace of humanity left in the universe. I'm talking about Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, two machines launched in 1977, still traveling today carrying a golden message from Earth to aliens we may never meet. But what exactly is this message? Why did we send it? And will anyone out there ever find it? In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1 and 2 to explore the outer planets. At the time, we were supposed to last just a few years, enough to capture close-up pictures of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But something incredible happened. Both spacecraft survived and kept going. They became the first human-made objects to leave the solar system. Today, Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth, traveling at nearly 17 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to cross the United States in just 4 minutes. Yet, beyond the science, the Voyagers carry something even more extraordinary: a time capsule of Earth. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc designed to last for a billion years in the code of space. On it, scientists and artists placed a collection of sounds, music, images, and greetings, the story of life on Earth. You will hear the sound of rain, thunder, a heartbeat, 55 languages from ancient Sumerian to modern English. The record also contains 116 images, DNA strands, human anatomy, animals, plants, and even the structure of our solar system. In other words, it's a cosmic introduction letter. Hello, we are from Earth. This is who we are. The idea came from the great scientist and dreamer Carl Sagan. He and his team believed that if a spacecraft might wander the stars for eternity, it should carry a message, not for us, not even for the aliens necessarily, but as a symbol of hope and unity. Carl Sagan once said the spacecraft will be encountered and the record played only if there are advanced spacefaring civilizations in interstellar space. But the launching of this portal into the cosmic ocean says something very hopeful about life on this planet. In other words, the Golden Record was not just about aliens, it was about us daring to dream that humanity deserves to be remembered. Today, both Voyagers are in interstellar space. Voyager 1 crossed the boundary in 2012 and is now more than 15 billion miles away. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, continuing its journey outward. They are still sending faint signals back to NASA, whispers across the void, but their power is fading. By the early 2030s, both will go silent forever, and then they will drift endlessly between the stars. Here's the big question: will anyone ever find the golden record? The chances are incredibly small. Space is vast. Voyager may travel for billions of years,
without coming close to another star system.
But if, just if, an alien civilization stumbles upon it, they'll have the blueprint of our world.
They'll know what we look like, what we sound like, and what we dreamed of.
Even if Earth itself is long gone, the memory of humanity will live on, riding with the Voyagers. Think about it. Long after pyramids crumble, long after cities turn to dust, long after Earth itself changes, beyond recognition, Voyager will still be out there. Two tiny spacecraft, two golden records, two eternal whispers of who we were.
In a way, Voyager is not just a space mission, it's a message in a bottle cast in the cosmic ocean waiting to be found. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember,
Our message is already on its way, drifting beyond the stars. Do like, share, and subscribe the video.